ang dini yemya ang Tiprasa Dolly Reang no puya mole dini bo puthe mole this is not the first time not a new case in Tripura right jomo chung kolpana joma dia sipe ma mole puthe mo chung ngo abi ke chung montreal kai pino puthe mo chung ngo abi ke to bisojit debar mano pani sagor road wo puthe mo ngo abi ke Reang karya no rek he puthe mo chung ngo Tripura jo chung koi dille compromised life chung ma tong nai. How long are we compromised, Tiprasa? How long are we compromised? How long are we going to have rally? Having a play ka tuye chung sa to justice marine manai. Tripura government, Tripura High Court, Tripura ni prosecution chuna justice ria. Msa bosor chung pore ka tonai 74 years ha. Chung pore ka tabe mo puthe mo sudu justice marine manai resi sun hilayo chung pai thong chung tini buya ke khai pawo. Bori khang mo baile te chung sa jindagi bori ke chung tonai tre koi boso chung bori ke tonai Tripura jon jita kunang samchu dinia Dolly Reang Pormesor Reang no puthe mo ya kau ti saria bisojit debar man no puthe po chung bori khana relik tok ye joto employee NGO joto to family chung bori paso ya bekaro. What is written? We want justice for Pormesor Reang. Stop killing Tiprasa. This is not being said by Dolly Reang. This is being said by entire Tiprasa of Tripura state. We are not prey. We want peace. Justice delayed is justice denied. This is what being carried out today in the placards of Tiprasa's hand. You can see now no mayo. We are being deprived not only in the we are being deprived in the employment section. We are being deprived. Tiprasas are being deprived in development. Tiprasas are being deprived in all sectors. We are being deprived for the last 75 years. Chúng state tung ye, chúng sa cho nó chúng tùy bảo tịch lại haba lại cái chúng cost of my to. Sa cho nó gari bay khai thay sa cho nó purposely accident ni muam bu thay sa cho nó rape ke bu thay Tripura cho countless ha chúng countless. Ame chúng sa cho nó cái tông này, sa tin cái tông này. Politics ni mung bu chúng thung ya wo. Don mo ni mu bu chúng thung ya wo. Sa chúng thung ya tông này, Tripura sa nang sa cho. Thani kau ya. This is not about party. This is about Tiprasa's survival. This is about justice, my dear brothers and sisters. To Shannon and I, let us come together. Let us realize where are we standing in Tripura state. Amo panto diri Pormesor Reang ni no kuti ra rifana. Pormesor Reang no chumaya. Dini bisojit debar ma buthaya soita bude kese. Jungto no po sune bakase buthaya maya. Jinti bisojit debar ma no kuti sarkari po jungte phero maya. Reang karya no maya jung kolpana jamatia no maya. Jini Montreal kai pe no maya. We are bound to demand greater Tripura land separate state boni karono cuma sayo. Tripura state government, Tripura honorable high court no. On behalf of all the Tiprasa ang tini kabawnai. Now jodi se Indian constitution no, Indian right no sonman rikharing ke. Pormesor Reang no puthai ni no. Phasi riye phok de. Abong kese jung Tiprasa.